After so many days of burning thirst, the sky finally remembered how to fall. To those who had only known drought, the rain felt like a miracle and a memory they had never lived. Even the hunters let themselves taste the sky before they remembered their hunger. The land began to breathe differently, exhaling dust and inhaling water. At first, the rain revived the same places that had almost killed them. For a brief heartbeat in the age of teeth, there was nothing to chase, only something to feel.
Those in the sky could taste the difference in the air.
Old scars in the ground woke up to carry water again. The fire in the mountains had cooled, but the sky had found a new way to test them.
For the first time in many seasons, there was more water than blood on their legs.
Old scars in the ground woke up to carry water again. The fire in the mountains had cooled, but the sky had found a new way to test them. The plants remembered what to do with the rain before the animals did. It had known rivers as places to guard. Now they were starting to move in ways it had never seen. The land seemed, for a moment, to grow again, if only by a little. They saw the rain not as blessing or curse, but as another pattern to learn. When the first storm passed, they believed the worst was over. They thought the sky had finished speaking. What had felt gentle now came with weight.
But the sky had only taken a breath.
What had felt gentle now came with weight. The same water that saved them began to pull at the edges of their world. The land that had once been too dry to share was becoming too wet to stand on. Not all threats came from the sky. Some were building behind the curtain of rain, higher up the river. Above their heads, a quiet basin that had endured the drought now strained under the weight of the sky. The land was holding back more than they knew. They had asked for water, never imagining it would come all at once. The pool that had ruled their lives dissolved into something larger and less controllable. Its throne was not taken by teeth this time, but by depth.
The land was shrinking again, but not from heat, from rising water.
Old defenses meant little when the enemy was beneath their feet.
The quick found new advantage in the chaos.